Hey guys, what's going on? It's Amy again with the Bargain Mama, and today is Wednesday, March 20th, I think, because my birthday is on March 23rd. I think Tamara from Tamara's Bargains, I want to say that for the past 2 years, I think she's been telling me that we share a birthday. I think so. Anyways, I hope everyone is doing great. This video will probably be out this weekend, but next Friday, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more days until I go home for good. So I'm so excited about that. So first, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who has continued to follow me through this crazy journey. The last 6 months have been insane. I will do a video on that and some other things, but right now I'm just trying to get home. Like, I just want to get home and stay there for good. I do have my full-time job back that I was at for 4 years prior to deciding to travel. So I don't like change. So that makes me feel a lot more comforted that I'll be able to go back home, like, and not have to learn everything new again. So I'll just kind of go right back into what I was doing. So I'm very excited about that. But let's get started. So I shouldn't be shopping, but I still am. But it's for a couple of things. So when I get back home, it will be the day before Easter. And I still do my kids like an Easter basket, even though they're 18, 22, and 24. And I mean, it's like little things. Like, usually what I do for my older boys is I buy them like a pair of slides or shoes that aren't expensive so that the box is there. And so then I kind of put in some candies and stuff and kind of make their shoe box as their Easter thing, so they can eat the candy, take their shoes, and throw the box away. But I just wanted to show you these things that I found at Dollar General for $1. My oldest son, who is 24, he puts everything on a whiteboard. Like, he has to have a whiteboard. Like, you walk into his house, so I think that even going to the bathroom might be on his whiteboard. Everything has to be on there. So I got him this for $1. It's a dry erase board. It just says Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever. I don't know if he'll even use like the days, but he did just get a new desk and he's making one of the bedrooms into an office. So I just picked him up this. I'm gonna have to pick him up some markers. I didn't realize, but so this was $1 from Dollar General. So I picked that up. And then I picked these up. I picked up one for me and one for him. And again, it is just like, are these metal or is it just cardboard? I think this one's a metal. So it's just a to-do list and it has like the twine right there. And this is also just like a dry erase board. So I got him that and one for me. So I've said it before, but when I go home, we're actually going to redo my house one room at a time. I'm super excited about it. So I will bring you guys along. And so pretty much every single room in my house is going to be different than it is now. So I'm excited about that. I did find these, and these are adhesive labels. So we're going to redo my closet. And I have a small walk-in closet, but what I want, sorry, I was reading what was coming across the top. What I want is I can't wait to show you guys my closet. So it's going to have like, okay, sorry. At the top of closets, like, you know, you have the shelf on top of your closet and then all that super empty space. Like, you can't stack stuff up there, nothing. It's just empty space. I'm so tired of empty space being in my house. So we're actually going to build up kind of like shelving units above that so that I can put like, I have like Christmas jewelry that I only wear during Christmas and 4th of July jewelry and socks and stuff so we're going to put those up there. And so I needed like tags for those things so that I could see from like down below what's on them. These say Monday, Tuesday, I don't care. So I got these for $1. There's 2 sheets and they're 6 by 9 inches. It just says Monday, Tuesday. I thought that said Thursday for some reason. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Again, I don't care really what they say, but I did get them. So I picked those up for $1. And then again, I picked these up and they are basket bin tags for $1. There's 3 of them. I was like, oh, I can make those. And I'm like, Amy, you say that, yet you have so much crap in your garage that you never do. Buy these and have it done. So these are basket bin tags. So like I said, on the top of my closet is going to have like kind of like shoe bins with all of my holiday gear and stuff in it. And then in one spot in my closet is going to be like kind of longer shelves, and those are what I'm going to put like bins with like my socks in one bin and like my underwear in one bin, and so they're just going to be right there. And because I want to go away with my dresser altogether, I don't want my dresser, I just don't want, like, there's no need to have all that stuff, and I just want as much open space as possible. And so we're just going to get rid of my dresser, so this is kind of going along with my colors. So I just thought I would put like underwear on one, socks on one. I'm also going to have like a flat area in there that kind of folds up against the wall and then back down for when like a laundry station for me, so that I can bring all of my clothes out and kind of lay up, like I'll pull it down from the wall, I'll lay it over that, and then I'm right there in my closet so I can grab my hangers out. So I'm trying to make it as lazy organized as possible. So anyways, I picked these up for my bins. And then I did realize, so I got this and I was like, oh, that would be cute. Again, we're going on a vacation soon. And I needed stuff to color, and it said $1. But then, like, when she threw it in, it didn't even dawn on me at first. I just grabbed this. But then when she threw it in the bag, I was like, that sounds heavy. So then I looked, because this was not the only one. There were several of these like this, I think, on the shelf. But then when she threw it, I was like, why is that like that? So they apparently put them on the shelf in the packaging still when they took it out of the box. And so I got 3 of these for $1. So here is Mickey Mouse, here is Ninja Turtles, and then here is the princesses. So I'm going to keep the princess one. The first vacation we are going on is to Dallas to see my niece in a volleyball competition. So my nephew will be there, and I'm already making him like a little kind of like activity thing anyway. So these are going to be super cute to put in there. So yeah, like they were in this packaging, so they ran it through the thing and everything, but apparently they didn't take them out of the package. So I got 3 for $1. Super excited, deal. I do pick these up a lot. They're just the hot ripple cups, 6 count. I only get them because they have the lid, and I'm super clumsy, so they're just $1. So I picked those up. I found these in one of my walkthroughs, now Dollar General. So Dollar Tree, in one of my walkthroughs, they have a whole jewelry center now. But in one of my walkthroughs also, Dollar General has a jewelry station now. They had a lot of stuff. I didn't need any, but I did need these. They're the Lost Lobster clamps, and there's 8 of them for $1. I thought that was a really good deal. So they have the clamp, but they also have like the thing right there to attach it to whatever you want to. And there's 2 blue, yellow, purple, and pink. So for $1, I picked those up. And then just something that I pick up all the time are these French vanilla sugar-free creamers. There is 12 packets in here, and they are 15 calories. So what I like to do is I get 1 sugar-free hot chocolate, which is 90 calories, and then I put 1 of these in there, and so that's 105 calories, and that hot chocolate fills me up, so I like to have that kind of earlier in the morning so I feel a little bit more filled up, and so I'm not eating as many calories. Yeah, so, and these are just the dry packets, so I like these because I can take them anywhere with me. And I saw a thing too that I'm going to try. I drink the ice drinks 24 hours a day, and I saw a thing where they're putting, like, if you haven't ever had an Italian cream soda, well, sodas have a lot of sugar, and so I try to avoid them. And but it was showing that you can put, it was saying the liquid, so I don't know how the powder would be because you can't really shake it or anything. So I don't know how the powder would be in there, but I'm going to try to put the powder in there and make myself like an Italian cream soda. I don't know. So we're only at 9 minutes. So I'm going to take a couple minutes just to show you a couple of things that I got. Like, let's see, this is from, I think these are for Marshalls, and I'll just show you this. No, I think this is for Marshalls too with that tag. So all these are from Marshalls. Okay, so there we go. So I picked these up. They are long nails on point, glow effect, and there's 28 of them. But look at those colors. I love the bright colors. I've said it a million times. I'm a very, very bright person. So these are by Kiss the Vogue Fantasy, and I picked them up for $3. And then I did pick this up, normally $4.99, vanilla mint hand cream and foot cream. And they are 2.2 fluid ounces each. I don't care if there's Christmas on the outside of this or not. I love lotion. I love little packets of it. And so I picked it up for $1. So for 2 of these for $1, I thought that was a great deal. And then, oh almost the last thing. I picked this up. It says Bonjour magnetic list pad. I don't know how much it was normally, but I picked it up for $1. And it has, I don't know, but it's thick. It has a magnet right here. And so at the end of, in my kitchen, you know how you have like all your cabinets, counters or whatever, and then at the end, like where everything ends, it doesn't like, so here's like where my cabinets end, and then the wall comes out a little bit more to here. So in that space that's probably about this big, I'm just going to put some kind of like a little door. I haven't figured out what I'm gonna put there yet, but I'm gonna put very thin, almost like it's gonna have like a oh, I can't think of, like a pegboard type thing, but it's going to be so nobody else can see it. Like, so it's going to have, like, if my son needs anything, if my husband needs anything, if I need anything, or what do we have to do and all that. It's going to be like a family message board, but not all out in the open where everyone can see it. So it's just going to have a little door kind of on the front of it. And then it's only going to be, like I said, like this thick. Like you're going to open it and it's just going to have a calendar and stuff right there. But I thought this would be good to put there. I don't like to have a lot of stuff hanging on my fridge because it gives me a lot of anxiety. It makes me feel very feel very cluttered, but it sucks because then you don't know what anyone's doing. I'm a paper person. I like to see it visually, so that's what I'm gonna do in my house. And then I did pick this up. I have really been into like crocheted items this year because I've said it a million times. If you know anything about Arizona, we are hot. It is hot out there. Texas and Arizona, we are hot. And so I like to have summer dresses, but I just want like a dress kind of thing. I don't want to be all elegant and stuff going down to Safeway. But I got this, and so this I got from Ross for $7.99, which I think is an amazing deal. And it's by Brixton, and it's a size medium. It's a Aruba dress, but I just got it because then I can wear, I know it's see-through, but I can wear like shorts. I'm very self-conscious in shorts, like kind of bicycle shorts, but they're so much cooler to wear than jeans and stuff. So I figured if I just had on a pair of bicycle shorts and a sports bra, I could put this on over it and not feel uncomfortable and still be very cool because it's so open and meshy. So that is it for this multi-haul. I do have a Temu haul coming up, which I'm super excited about, and then just a little thrift store haul. So I hope that you guys have an amazing day. I thank you again so much for supporting me, and I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.